Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Continuing the Testing Center of Excellence informative video series, today we will talk about the main characteristics of a testing center of excellence. Let's start. 1. Automated testing framework. Suppose your organization doesn't have a centralized test automation center of excellence framework. In that case, there is a strong possibility that your team won't share the common goals of your company, or perhaps they will deviate from the path intended to be used to meet business objectives. The Testing Center of Excellence framework allows organizations to achieve business goals through consolidated testing functions. 2. More testing. One culprit of limited project visibility is a lack of synergy between cross-functional teams, which hinders economy of scale. The Testing Center of Excellence guarantees unit coordination according to their core skills regarding technology across projects. Also, there is no dependency on cross-platforms, allowing for optimal use of your resources. The quality testing team has its own workspace to give them the necessary space to execute testing without damaging the software development progress. Additionally, the staff can conduct parallel tests for several projects in various environments. 3. Visibility across teams. Typically, cross-functional teams do not have the visibility to accurately calculate the return on investments due to testing, and there's no viability regarding the total cost involved in the testing. Testing Center of Excellence features tracking based on metrics, allowing it to measure your testing performance and the ROI generated from testing. Testing Center of Excellence simplifies the typical challenges associated with an organization, such as measuring test efforts and their efficacy, uncovering defects, and monitoring test coverage. You'll have centralized visibility and clarity at your disposal for stakeholders, thanks to the real-time analysis and the available error report to aid in making a better application. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to watch our other videos linked in the description.